Hi everyone. We are in this generation where we have to be very considerate about the climate change and climate control. But what is happening? No one is interested in it, including those people who are in the official positions. What can we do? Everyone loves games. How about making the people aware about the situation by using a game? So, presenting you my partner in crime, Vertika. She is going to explain what the game is about, and I hope you will all love it. This is our entry for MLH hackathon, and boom!
Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today we are here with an exciting idea of a game that is Play Climate Control, in which we will be performing different tasks and activities to adapt ourselves in the changing environment, changing climate. Like we can plant a tree, we can share a healthy recipe of something, and so on. And in this we will be getting some marks, some rewards. For example, for planting a tree we will be getting 10 points, and for sharing an exciting recipe we will be getting 15 points, and so on. So let's take this opportunity and play a vital role in changing and adapting ourselves in the changing environment. Bye bye.